Well, hi everybody. Okay, so this is the area where I filmed the stump squatch that moved, and there's no stump there. And I said when I was looking for it again, it's been back here at least half a dozen times. Further up this county road is where I caught the couple little juvie tree peakers. On the way in today, something barricaded the road. Okay, so this is the area where that stump shape was. I've been back here half a dozen times, and then I never ended up posting it. But there's the guy who owns the property told me there's a deer stand in there, but just I can walk around in here as long as I don't disturb anything. But it was right in there. See? There's no stump. No stump. But I just got finished walking up the hill with all my equipment on, so hear me huffing and puffing here. But when I got the footage, the branches were all full of leaves, and I was actually looking over some of these branches, like deeper, not expecting that something would be sitting so low to the ground, I guess. I don't know. It wasn't at my line of sight. But I guess, okay, I'll just come in here. Somewhere over there, there's a bigger tree. But there's no rotten tree here. There's no blacked out one that's rotten. You know, they get the black bark thing going on them. And exploring, looks like a trail. Trying to be as quiet as I can. Sometimes I catch juvies or whatever out sunning themselves in clearings. Bit of a late start this morning though. I forgot to put on bug spray. They're all over me. Air train in distance. Air train in distance. Okay, so you can see him right there to the right. He's sitting down, but I was looking past him. I think I might have said that in the video. There's some branches blocking my view, and then right up here I turn right and I catch him. You can see that his bottom of his legs are folded under his thighs. And here's another quick version of it. And there's no stumps like that there, and there's no trees that big there, that wide. And at the end, you can see him there, the branch in front of him. His head kind of follows me around. I don't know if some people can notice that. I held on to this footage because I was trying to confirm it, and I've been back there like a half a dozen times. And you can see it's kind of gorilla face in that one. There's another one behind the tree there, a little guy behind the tree, and you can see his face there. And there's some small prints going through the mud. There wasn't any toes that I could make out or whatever, so I didn't cast it. And here it is one more time. I don't know, Sasquatch, maybe a 5-footer, 4-footer sitting down there, watch me walk by. So pretty cool. Okay. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so pretty cool. Go out in the woods, do a follow-up. I don't know if I had the right area or not. I mean, it was all around that big rock area, you know, the hill. When you get in the bush, it all looks the same, but there's no stump like that anywhere. So, I mean, it's funny, eh? You can't see them as well as your eyes, but the camera picks up on them. So pretty cool. I bet you being stumped by Sasquatch is helping that happen to other researchers. The other thing I want to mention, coming from the Bigfoot barn, finding Sasquatch is kind of a thing I do. The field work, Bigfoot barn's like the main broadcast channel. I don't know, maybe I should have two channels. I don't know. That's a lot of work. I just do this for awareness, and it's fun to do this part. Get a little goofy, you know, whatever, act up, tell stories, and then do my field research, kind of separate it, and they're finding Sasquatch. But the other thing I wanted to mention, maybe a little bit closer to Halloween, I might have this old guy come on and talk about some of his experience, tells us stories as a hunter and in the woods and stuff like that. And that'll be pretty cool. I mean, I'll do that closer to Halloween. Another thing I got to do is I got to report in from a hunter. I'm gonna go try to do a site visit before I just post it. This one's within my reach. Sometimes I drive that way when I'm doing fall color drive or something, right? But anyway, I'll post that later on once I can see if I can get out to the area. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, share, subscribe. I got link below, raising money for a camera, about halfway to a used one. You know, when we get there, we get there. I'll just keep using my older camera right now, and we'll see what we can do with that. I got lots of videos and stuff I can post. Anyway, I still got to work on my Bigfoot documentary about the dunes, but I might wait till I get another laptop. I've gone through lots of equipment. It gets expensive, and then there's the gas and time and everything. And I've seen people come and go from the Bigfoot field. They rush in like lions, and they go whimpering out like lambs. So, I mean, it's like the Hinden said, you know, it's who's in it for the long haul kind of thing. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon from the Bigfoot barn, or maybe even out in the field. Okay, so just a postscript. Yeah, there's other ones in the trees as I'm hiking through, but I try to focus on just the ones I catch in the open or the ones that move. Otherwise, I could post a video every day. Anyway, happy Thanksgiving, Canada.